मजबूरी क्या है?
What's your compulsion?
लाउडली।
What's your compulsion? Wanna speak?
मैं सेलिब्रेट नहीं करना चाहता,
I don't wanna celebrate.
लेकिन आई अटेंड द क्लास डेली,
I attend the class daily.
लेकिन मैं डोंट स्पीक ब्लंटली,
Don't speak bluntly.
यू ऑल स्वाई,
That's why.
डोंट शाउट,
Don't shout.
डोंट शाउट,
Don't shout.
व्हाई डू यू शाउट?
Why do you shout?
So good evening ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, sir.
So yesterday we studied here about use of have to.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So before start the class, I would like to do practice. I would like to recall all previous classes first, and then I will start a new chapter. So all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. सबसे पहले हम हिंदी से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश, then English to English. So all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand up all. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, shall we start?
By all means.
Okay. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ती है.
I have to speak English.
I have to speak English.
I have to speak English.
क्या आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ती है?
Speak English.
Have you to speak English?
Have you to speak English?
Loudly.
Have you to speak English?
ये मेरी मजबूरी है.
It's my compulsion.
It's my compulsion.
It's my compulsion.
Use your body language. It's my compulsion.
It's my compulsion.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या है?
What's your compulsion?
Loudly.
What's your compulsion?
Again.
What's your compulsion?
इंग्लिश बोलना मेरी मजबूरी है. Speaking English
Speaking English
is my compulsion.
is my compulsion.
That's why
That's why
मुझे आना पड़ता है.
I have to come.
Loudly.
I have to come.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता है.
I have to speak.
Again.
I have to speak.
Loudly.
I have to speak.
मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता.
I don't want to speak.
I don't wanna speak.
I don't want to speak.
मैं सेलिब्रेट नहीं करना चाहता,
I don't want to celebrate.
लेकिन
But
मुझे सेलिब्रेट करना पड़ता है.
I have to celebrate.
I have to celebrate.
I have to celebrate.
Loudly.
I have to celebrate.
मुझे मजबूर मत कीजिए.
Don't compel me.
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go.
I wanna go.
I wanna go.
क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna go?
Do you wanna go?
Do you wanna go?
Loudly.
Do you wanna go?
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
Loudly.
Don't shout.
मैं चिल्लाता नहीं हूँ.
I don't shout.
Again.
I don't shout.
Loudly.
I don't shout.
लेकिन
But
एक दिन
one day
मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगा.
I will speak English.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं रोजाना क्लास अटेंड करता हूँ.
I attend the class daily.
I attend the class daily.
I attend the class daily.
लेकिन
But
मैं भूल गया.
I forgot.
I forgot.
I forgot.
Loudly.
I forgot.
Again.
I forgot.
आप कैसे भूल गए?
How do you forgot?
How did you forget?
How did you forget?
Loudly.
How did you forget?
मैं बिजी था.
I am busy.
I was busy.
I was busy.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं भूल गया.
I forgot.
I forgot.
I forgot.
It's my mistake.
It's my mistake.
Loudly.
It's my mistake.
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Loudly.
Are you coming?
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
I'm on the way.
I'm on the way.
Are you on the way?
Are you on the way?
What do you wanna?
What do you wanna?
What do you wanna do?
What do you wanna do?
I wanna speak English.
I wanna speak English.
Do you wanna speak English?
Do you wanna speak English?
Loudly.
Do you wanna speak English?
Again.
Do you wanna speak English?
Don't compel me.
Don't compel me.
Loudly.
Don't compel me.
I'm helpless.
I'm helpless.
Are you helpless?
Are you helpless?
I'm shameless.
I'm shameless.
I'm shy.
I'm shy.
I'm innocent.
I'm innocent.
Are you innocent?
Are you innocent?
What do you wanna say?
What do you wanna say?
Loudly.
What do you wanna say?
You should go.
You should go.
Should I go?
Should I go?
Why should I go?
Why should I go?
Are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable?
I speak English.
I speak English.
I don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
What happened with you?
What happened with you?
Loudly.
What happened with you?
I didn't sleep.
I didn't sleep.
Why didn't you sleep?
Why didn't you sleep?
What do you wanna
What do you wanna
do?
do?
What do you wanna do?
What do you wanna do?
I wanted to talk to you.
I wanted to talk to you.
Loudly.
I wanted to talk to you.
I wanted to write.
I wanted to write.
My brother wanted to write.
My brother wanted to write.
But he's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Don't disturb him.
Don't disturb him.
Let me go.
Let me go.
Do you wanna go?
Do you wanna go?
You don't let me go.
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 Why don't you let me go?
Why don't you let me go?
Loudly.
Why don't you let me go?
Again.
Why don't you let me go?
I have a doubt.
I have a doubt.
Do you have a doubt?
Do you have a doubt?
When I came,
When I came,
loudly,
when I came,
loudly,
when I came,
you were sleeping.
you were sleeping.
I was not sleeping.
I was not sleeping.
Loudly.
I was not sleeping.
By the time I opened the door,
By the time I opened the door,
you had gone.
you had gone.
That's why
That's why
it's your mistake.
it's your mistake.
What do you wanna say?
What do you wanna say?
I'm guilty.
I'm guilty.
Loudly,
I'm guilty.
loudly.
I'm guilty.
You are shy.
You are shy.
Don't hide the truth.
Don't hide the truth.
I don't hide the truth.
I don't hide the truth.
My father hides the truth.
My father hides the truth.
Don't speak bluntly.
Don't speak bluntly.
You always speak bluntly.
You always speak bluntly.
Loudly,
You always speak bluntly.
loudly.
You always speak bluntly.
I don't speak bluntly.
I don't speak bluntly.
That's why.
That's why.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Why do you shout?
Why do you shout?
Why are you shouting?
Why are you shouting?
Have you completed?
Have you completed?
Loudly,
Have you completed?
loudly.
Have you completed?
I have completed.
I have completed.
But Rohan is doing.
Rohan is doing.
Where is Rohan?
Where is Rohan?
Loudly.
Where is Rohan?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Did you call him?
Did you call him?
Did you call him?
Did you call him?
I haven't his number.
I haven't his number.
That's why.
That's why.
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me.
Let me go.
Let me go.
Loudly.
Let me go.
Again.
Let me go.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I study.
I study.
Do you study?
Do you study?
Loudly.
Do you study?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Loudly.
Where do you live?
I live in Shadra.
I live in Shadra.
Do you live in Shadra?
Do you live in Shadra?
Where do you belong to?
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Uttar Pradesh.
I belong to Uttar Pradesh.
Why do you wanna ask?
Why do you wanna ask?
Why do you wanna know?
Why do you wanna know?
Loudly.
Why do you wanna know?
I don't wanna tell you.
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 Stop yourself.
Stop yourself.
Stop yourself.
Stop yourself.
Don't speak rot.
Don't speak road.
Loudly.
Don't speak road.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
I slap you.
I slap you.
I slap you.
I slap you.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Why do you tell a lie?
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 You should speak English.
You should speak English.
You should come on time.
You should come on time.
I always come on time.
I always come on time.
Why do you tell a lie?
Why do you tell a lie?
Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping?
I have woken up.
I have woken up.
That's why,
That's why.
loudly,
That's why
I have completed my work.
I have completed my work.
Have you completed your work?
Have you completed your work?
Loudly.
Have you completed your work?
Have you decorated the room?
Have you decorated the room?
Don't yawn in the classroom.
Don't yawn in the classroom.
Loudly.
Don't yawn in the classroom.
Loudly.
Don't yawn in the classroom.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself.
Keep yourself?
Keep yourself active.
Loudly. Keep yourself happy. Loudly.
Keep yourself happy.
I'm always happy.
I'm always happy.
That's why
That's why
I'm going.
I'm going.
Have you gone?
Have you gone?
I'm about to reach.
I'm about to reach.
It's likely to rain.
It's likely to rain.
That's why
That's why
we are not going.
we are not going.
Are you going?
Are you going?
My father has gone.
My father has gone.
That's why
That's why
we are also going.
we are also going.
So thank you so much everyone. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Do more practice, okay?